If you're trying to access Xnxx and the page isn't loading properly, keeps refreshing, or simply isn't working properly, don't worry. It happens more often than you think. Sometimes websites behave differently depending on your connection, region, or even minor technical issues behind the scenes. In some cases, the site may even be restricted or blocked in your area, which can prevent it from loading completely. Fortunately, there's a simple and completely normal way to get the site running smoothly again, and the method I'm talking about is a VPN. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, helps by routing your internet traffic through a secure server in another region or country. When you connect to a VPN, your real location is hidden, and websites only see the IP address of the VPN server, not yours. This in itself solves many common access issues that users face. It also means your browser remains private, your ISP, the network you're using, and even the websites themselves can't see what you're doing online. Everything is encrypted, and you get a stable, clean connection that ensures pages load properly. Setting up is really simple. First, click the pinned link in the comment below to go to the official VPN website. Download and install the app on your device. It only takes a moment. Once installed, open it and connect to a server in a region where it works smoothly. Once connected, refresh the page you tried to access and it will load correctly. In summary, if a website isn't working properly or seems unstable, using a VPN is one of the easiest ways to achieve smooth, private access without any issues. A VPN protects your privacy, ensures a stable connection, and helps websites function properly. Don't wait, click the pinned link, set up a VPN, and enjoy safe and reliable access to the content you need.